are back. We've been gone for about 5 weeks from YouTube.
Interestingly enough, school started 5 weeks ago.
Wow.
We've been in school 4 weeks, so we're about to start our 5th week. But
we started teaching 5 weeks ago, or started going to school 5 weeks ago. And I coach, so things have been a little bit crazy. So we're back. We're going to tell you in this video a little bit about our current living situation since we sold and moved out of our house.
Yeah, that took a lot of time. Yeah.
So we're almost full-timers right now. So we're going to tell you a little bit about our new living situation. We hope next week to get caught up with some footage from Gettysburg and Monticello and some of the places we went over the summer that we haven't shown you yet. And we hope to get back on track here.
Charleston, the North Carolina Zoo, Augusta. Yeah, we're going to show you places.
Maybe St. Michael's.
Oh, St. Michael's, Maryland, yes.
So, okay, so thanks for coming aboard, and we're going to show you. It's going to be a really quick video today. It won't be very long. So I hope you'll tune in and kind of maybe give us some comments if you've been in a situation like this. Maybe you can encourage us, because we need you to help pray us through this, because nothing's going perfectly, if you know what I mean.
Yep.
Thanks. Here's a little shot of our new living quarters. You can see the house is over here. The main house is over here, and then you can see where our trailer is parked to the side in the driveway. And I'm going to kind of pan around here all the way down on the edge there. You can see a little bit of the new addition. And in fact, my in-laws are going to move into the addition. It's 2 bedrooms and a bath, kind of an apartment for them. And then we're going to kind of live in the main quarters over here. Across from us is just a lovely view. We live right across from Big Lots, so and on the corner of a kind of a highway here, so it's a little busy. It's not really too loud though. You know, we've been sleeping in the Rpod over here for the last, I think, 28 or 29 days, and noise has not ever been a problem. Truck just kind of comes flying by there in the front, so I said it's not very loud, and first thing I say when it's not very loud, a truck comes flying by. So anyway, here's kind of a walking tour of the property here. On the right over here, you can see this is the addition. A lot of work done on it. We've got a roof on it, framing. It's all framed up inside, or sheetrock. We're missing that window right there. We need that window. And then you can kind of see, I'm going to get up here a little bit closer in a second, but you can kind of see in between the main part of the quarters, the house, you can see a little place there where it's going to connect. And so there's where the electrical panel will be, of course, and then it's going to connect back here. It's about a 10-11 foot wide connection spot. You can see some ductwork there, but that's where it's going to connect. So kind of up in the house now. This is the opening going into the existing house. This whole room here, this will be kind of a little living, dining, kitchenette area. This is where I came in. Over here to the right, you can see a lot of sheetrocks up. To the right is out the front window, which we need those to get here. And this is the master bedroom. And then over here to the right, you'll see the master bath, showers installed. There'll be a place for the toilet here, and a sink over here, and then a little nook for storage. And then you'll see kind of a good sized walk-in closet over here, pretty dark in there. So pretty good walk-in closet. We come across the living area slash dining area slash kitchen, which is where the kitchen will be all the way around. Now again, that door is not going to be there. We're going to close that off, so have more room for the kitchen and dinette, kitchenette, dining area. guest bedroom, laundry room, hot water heater, some storage closets, again out the back, and then over here is another closet. So that's just a quick tour of what we're kind of waiting on to get this done. Hopefully another month or two and everything will be done. Thanks for tuning in.
I hope you enjoyed our video, seeing the footage of the new, where we're living, the new addition, the course of construction as it's been going on. We're actually sitting on this enormous deck that my dad had built. It's gorgeous out here. We're excited about living here.
Yeah, well, again, as she said, thanks. Hopefully tune in next week and hope to have some footage up about Monticello and Thomas Jefferson. I'm kind of a history buff, so hopefully that excites some of you as well, and a little bit about our journey along the way. Thanks for watching. Bye.